Hi, my name is Paul, and I'm an engineer using SolidWorks. For the first time, I can participate in my company's engineering change process without having to leave my SolidWorks session. Active Workspace not only gives me secure and controlled access to my company's SolidWorks data, but I also have access to the ECN and all the relevant information necessary to fully understand my task. In just a few clicks, I can easily review the ECN details, the affected parts, and any non-CAD data that it provides supporting information on the change. I can even review the details on the overall status of the ECN process. Active Workspace makes it straightforward to locate the exact parts I need to work on. Once I've completed my work, it's simple to store my data in Teamcenter and complete my task. Whether your business uses one CAD system or several, Teamcenter also supports company-wide collaboration with AutoCAD, CATIA, Creo, Inventor, NX, and SolidEdge, both for CAD and non-CAD users. Let Teamcenter help you take control of your SolidWorks data and improve your bottom line.